As the president debates with lawmakers about competing plans for job creation, we want to know what is really going to take to get companies to hire right now.
Well, Gene Marks is the CEO of the Marks Group, consulting with more than 500 small businesses. He's here with us. And will these tax incentives that have been rolled out make companies hire? That's the question.
You know, when people say about what's going to make me hire, I mean, guys, I have 10 employees in my company, right? And I've had 10 since before the recession. I have 10 now, right? And I hear that more tax incentives are being given, and I hear about the simple math that's required to do, you know, to hire somebody. And I think, you know, the simple math doesn't work for me. Because whatever tax incentives are giving to me or other small business owners, whether it's a credit or whether we're going to reduce payroll taxes, that's like a temporary thing. If I get a $5,000 tax credit, I still got to pay a guy $50,000 a year plus benefits, which is unknown for however many years to come. So I'm not in a position still to take that risk. Nobody is making any kind of long-term commitment to me. There's no long-term plan.
But it's not really just the temporary nature of these tax breaks. It's the fact that if you see in demand, if you see the customers stepping up, then you will hire, period. And the government, I mean, can the government really do anything?
No, they can't. And it's funny when you say that because, you know, people always say, oh, we need more demand, right? You know, it is not President Obama's fault that there's not enough demand from my business. That's my fault. It's my business. I'm the one that should be creating my demand. Now, I need capital to create demand. There's markets I'd love to get into. There's people I'd like to hire. There's other software products I'd like to sell. My company sells software, right?
All right.
I don't have the capital to do that.
What would help?
Well, lower taxes would help a lot. I mean, 40% of my income, my company's income, goes to federal and state taxes. And there is no, not only is there no long-term relief that's being proposed, but even in the short term, all I keep hearing is the taxes are going to go up. So what am I going to do? Is go out and buy more equipment or make some investments when, geez, that 40% rate could be even higher in the next few years. It just does not give me the incentive to hire people.